Welcome to Teachers TV Africa. I'm Teacher Peter Okware, and today we are sharing a testimony from Malaika Junior School. Malaika Junior School is one of our pilot schools where we are doing all what it takes to see that we uplift it. And we found the children at the level when they couldn't read any basic word or sound, and their confidence levels were below standard. And with this video, we are very grateful to see that they learned a lot, and the teachers also are trying to do their level best to see that the pupils can read, because at the end of the day, a child or a school that invests a lot in reading, it simply means that they are investing in tomorrow's leaders, and reading is the mother of all subjects. Watch this video to the end and see.
Start from there and you read. But like, can you speak louder? Which sound is that? For what? Mim, can you speak loud? You repeat after her. But you are not reading. Yeah? Which sound is that? For what? Mim, which sound is that? Sound what? For what?